cars get
Number one,
stuck
one of your
in the
cars
trailer.
gets stuck in the trailer. Ooh, I want to transport this car. Let's put it in the trailer. Yay! Let's transport it. All right, we have arrived. All right, let's get the car out. Now, it's stuck. It's freaking stuck. No! I don't know how to get it out. Oh, but I have an idea. Oh, well, I don't know how to do the ideas. This is an emergency action notification. We interrupt normal programming at the request of your buddy Dylan to participate in the emergency alert system. A car just got stuck in Dylan's trailer, and we need to get it out. Get rescue teams immediately. Please call 911. Repeat, please call 911. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. We are under stuck attack, and we need to get the Subaru STI out of the trailer immediately. Please get rescue teams as soon as possible. Please call 911. I repeat, please call 911. We are under stuck attack. Repeat, we are under stuck attack. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Please get the car out as soon as possible, or Dylan will start crying and he will give you a headache and make you deaf. And potentially lead to death. This is an emergency action notification. We interrupt normal programming at the request of your buddy Dylan and to participate in the emergency alert system. Dylan's Subaru STI hatchback has gotten stuck in the trailer. Repeat, Dylan's Subaru STI has gotten stuck in the trailer. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Please get rescue teams as soon as possible before Dylan... But then you get an idea. I need to perform a surgery on this truck. We need to take this off first. Oh, this is sad. This is sad to see. Sad to think about. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah! Let's go! Let's freaking go!